What's happening, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Guys, welcome to another episode of Straight TV, baby. How are you? How are things, man? What is happening with Bitcoin? I should say Bitcoin or Bitcoin. Sideways action is killing me, man. But that's how, we expected this. So, no biggie. It's possible that we might create a new high than this high. The last one was 30,000, right? So, it's possible we go 30,150 or 30,200, right? Consolidate, make another high, and then go back down. One more dump is left. Mind you, we kept on saying this on this channel. One more dump is left. So, yep. Sooner or later, I think we will make another high more than 30,000. It'll be 30,200 or 30,300. We will see. But again, sideways action to mid of May. This is when all the craziness will begin in altcoins. That's what I think. How's everyone, man? Bitcoin Baijan, Shrey TV time. Yeah, man. Hi, Shrey. What's happening? Good, brother. Brian, what up, brother? From another mother. Shrey TV, boom. Pittsburgh in the house. How are you, bro? Finally, you made it, man. You made it. Gion, how are you? James Webster. Hello, Shrey from Canada. How are you? Good, man. Good. Guys, make sure to hit that like. If there are more likes, it'll give notification to more people. Because not everybody gets notified. Well, yeah, I am stuck. I'm waiting in this ERSDL. I want to buy more. So I'm waiting on this. Man, sleepless nights. I want to buy another, I would say another $12,000 worth. I think it should come back down to this level. Sleepless nights, man. Sleepless. Like that. Kiss. Give a kiss, a little pecker here before goes back up. Right. That's what I'm expecting. So we'll see. Yeah, I have buy orders because I had to sleep. So, but I'm going all in here. ERSDL. I already have lots of ERSDL, but I'm buying more. Because I expect a pump once it touches this level. I expect at least, I would say, let's do this. How about that? I would expect it to go to 618, at least 618. 618 is right here, so a little over 618 would make that pump to, if it dumps to this level from here. Yeah, man, it's a 50% pump. 50% pump in next few days, or maybe a day, or maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Once we finish this dump. But yeah, man, sleepless nights. But I rode this all the way, sold some here, and I'm waiting to buy here and then ride it. Ride it, baby. Ride it. I really like this project, man. This is still down. This is still down 99. If you look at the bigger picture, ERSDL, federal. Well, the title of the video is a lot of people will make millions, even in 2023, right? If you compare this crypto, Forta, what was this? Forta or something like that. What is it? Forta. Look at this, man. Look at this Forta. If somebody had $100,000 in this, this thing pumped, look, made $600,000, right? And these numbers sound big. It probably sounds big to normal people, but there are people who have $100,000, $200,000 in a project. I had a guy, when I put about $600 in Luna, $800 in Luna, I had another guy in a forum. He said that he bought Luna. He put in $10,000. That guy must have retired. because Luna pumped. When Luna crashed at the price that I was buying, you know, he was on Twitter that he bought at those prices. He put $10,000. That guy, multi-millions, you know, he made, right? Because my $800 went to $45,000. Okay, so imagine his $10,000 where it went. So just like that, you know, this crypto Forta, you see RGT, Rari governance token. Look at this. In just few days, how much did it pump? We did a 16x. So 100,000 becomes $1.6 million. Right. Yep. But I don't think, you know, this pump will last. It'll go back up probably to this level, come close another 252% later in the cycle, and then dump back down. One more dump left. I think one more dump left for RGT. Not ready yet. So this will be a, you know, good opportunity to take some profits at the top here, because I would say this was my level that I was looking at, $3.87. Here, if you look at it this way, yeah, see, this is the level I will be looking for. You know, even $5, it could go to $5. I wouldn't be surprised. $5, but you know, I wouldn't be greedy. I would take some profits because this whole thing's gonna come back down. The whole move will be retraced back down. It'll go probably make a lower low, go to 0.08 at sometime later. So any pumps right now, especially in altcoins, man, I'm taking advantage of. Want to give a shout out to people who comment on the last videos. Realism says, Shrey, love your channel and your energy. New to crypto and would love to learn more. You seem to be very busy. Any way to chat on what to do for newer investors? Bro, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot advise you what to do, but I do have a Patreon where I post charts of certain cryptos. I posted, you know, charts of several other cryptos which we already have pumped, you know, 10x, 15x, 5x, 7x, you know, about, I can count almost 5 to 6 cryptos, you know, which I have pumped. So yeah, you're more than welcome to join the Patreon. The link of my Patreon is right here on the Twitter. If you go on my Twitter page, it's Shrey TV Crypto is my Twitter, and the link to my Patreon is right here. Okay. Yeah, depending on which level you join, I think there's only one level I'm offering. All the other levels I've shut down. That level, I do talk to my Patreons on the phone. Depending on what level, VIP people, I do speak to them for half an hour. But yeah, Bitcoin Baijan, the only TV, Shrey TV. Shrey, can we look at Xmon? Stuck in it from 22K to 3K. Oh my God, man. I'm so sorry, brother. Thinking to hold, but down. Don't want to go to zero. Okay. Zabur. Hey, Shrey from Birmingham. How are you, Zabur? I hope so to 31.5. Then the dive to 21K before we take off. I don't think 21K, brother. Maximum, you know, it's possible 25 or 24K, James. I don't think 21. No. It's not gonna happen. If you're lucky, you know, I'm Bitcoin. I'm expecting here. I'll show you. What was the number we were expecting? This is the inverted chart of Bitcoin, right? So I'm gonna look at your coin, brother. Just a second. I don't want to lose my thought. I haven't looked at Bitcoin for a few days now, but here, hold on. Let's look at Bitcoin, the whole cycle, like this. I expect Bitcoin to come down to this level right here. In between, whatever happens is just noise, brother. This is the level I'm expecting. $40,000, right, is the level for Bitcoin. How quickly we get there, everything depends on that. But as I said, one more dump. Here. It may not, okay? But I do think one more dump left. So probably $28,000, I would say, because we have until mid of May, I would say, right? This is when I get very bullish on crypto. So sideways action, we print a nice bigger candle, 30,000, 30,200. Right. Go back up, print another 31,000 probably, and then go back up to $28,000, and then from there the dump starts. When I say dump, this is an inverted chart, that means pump. Okay, the pump starts for Bitcoin to between $35,000 to $40,000. That's how I expect Bitcoin to play out. Okay, so I don't think 25,000 max. It's a rebound to this price action is possible. Very rare, but it's possible that we could come for a retest of this channel right here. You see this? Price stayed here for a long time. This is a significant level right there. So we could turn. If we could turn, then it would be this way. Go back down, do this, and create a wick could go to 24,200, right? And then we start the dump like that. Okay, aggressive dump like that. It's possible, but I don't think it's going to play out this way. I highly doubt it, but it's possible. Okay, it's possible that a wick could go to $24,000. Okay, so that's one scenario. This is an inverted chart for Bitcoin. How it looks straight. This is how it looks straight, but that's what I expect. Okay, for Bitcoin. Max we would come back down is to this $24,000 level, 24,200. I don't think that's gonna happen, but never say never, right? But this is what I expect. I'll keep you posted as we progress, right? But my eyes are on altcoins. There are several altcoins, man. They're gonna pop, man. 10x, 5x, 7x, 15x. So that's where the money will be made. That's where the money will be made. If somebody had, say, $100,000, there, I know a lot of people, who have $100,000 in a certain coin, and which 10x is just $1 million, man. Boom, $1 million. It's just those coins don't have huge volume, but when they start pumping, they get a lot of volume because people try to chase green candles, right? We have tendency to chase green candles. Everyone wants to buy something that's going up and make some money, especially newcomers. I'm not talking about you. If you're seasoned, then you don't do that. And if you're watching straight TV, you don't do that, right? Gion, brother, can you check stars? Okay, I need to check. My brother from another mother said something about this channel, Xmon. Who said about Xmon? Who is stuck in Xmon? Bitcoin Baijan. Xmon. Xmon. Bro, I think the dump is done, bro, for Xmon. Yeah, I do think the dump is done for Xmon. It won't dump more. That's it. This was the bottom. I think this wick here, which went down, that was the bottom for Xmon. If this is the correct chart, it shows, yeah, 29th April. Yeah, this is the correct chart. Yeah. Let's look at the weekly. Then we'll look at the Bitcoin chart. you were holding from what? 24 some $1,000? Okay. Yeah, this is just like what's that coin, bro? I forgot that coin's name. YFI. Yearn Finance, right? It started at $400, went up to what? 80. Wow. $84,000. Back to $2,000 right now. Wow, that is crazy, bro. That is crazy. I wouldn't count this as a... If you look at a monthly, that thing will go away. See, it's been forming this channel. I think there are only 10,000 X mons, right? That's why this is so expensive. Only 10,000 X mons. See, it's in this perfect channel, bro. You want me to be overly bullish? And here's the target. Yeah, I would be cautious at the top of this channel, you know. Here. I'll be cautious at $20,000. $21,000, $22,000. This is where I would get cautious because the channel, if you look at the monthly channel, this is where it ends. See? So I would get cautious around here because we could go all the way to $20,000 and come back down, you know. Let's look at 3 days. Let's look at Bitcoin chart. Okay. Another thing, this, you see this level? It's possible, man. It's possible that we might come back to retest this and follow this channel. I don't think it'll be able to cross this channel. Sorry, the trend line. Right, so... But we will come back one time, at least one time, to retest for this channel like that. When that happens, I cannot say. It could be later on in the journey. But this looks like a bottom to me. This is bottom for XBond. See the top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 bottoms, 4 tops. I think this is the bottom, bro. This is the bottom. I mean, you can go a little lower if you just want to waste time. If it just wants to waste time, then we could possibly, you know, go a little lower. Let's see if this, where does this triangle end? If it wants to waste time, we could do this, okay? Do this. And, you know, make another lower low possible. Right. Just saying. I'm not saying that it'll happen, but just if it wants to waste time. But at some point in the cycle, we'll come and touch this line, give a kiss. So let me look at it inverted. Yeah, $34,000 looks a good level right here. It's Possible $35,000, man. If you're lucky, you'll be able to get out $35,000. But I think this is the bottom for this coin right now. If it loses this level, bro, it'll be very bad. If it loses this level, it'll create a, something like this. Yeah. So, yeah, cannot lose this level. Cannot lose this level. This is an important level. I think this is the bottom. Or if it loses this level, this is just going down the drain, bro. Just, yeah. So I personally think that's the bottom, and it'll come and try to kiss this line. Okay, this is where we take some profits. I don't know much about the project, so I'll have to, deep dive in it. Okay, MX Vision. Hey Shrey, can you chart Marathon Digital Holdings? Zaichu, hi mate, how are you, brother? A lot of new people here. James, how are you, man? Shrey, can we look at... Hold on. Rashid, could you look at GFI? See how it goes looking at cryptos is Bitcoin Baijan has donated several times on my channel. Right? I go with donations. Either you're my Patreon or you write comments on my videos. So last time these many people commented on the videos. Steve Moon, Roger Pearson, Blake, Hardik, Crypto Spark, Bitcoin Baijan. Here is his comment. Max Freeman, Vraj, Sang. Right, so these are people. See, Bitcoin Baijan commented again. He does donations and comments on the videos. So it's a give and take relationship, guys, right? You got to do one thing or another, right? Max Vision, hey Shrey, can you chart Marathon? MX Vision also comments on the video. Haven't done that lately, but could you look at GFI, please? Rashid, I've never seen you comment on any of my videos. Substray, I believe SLP will be one of those coins that'll pop in the future. Yes, I do think SLP will pop, brother. I think Fed Powell will pause next FOMC on Wednesday. However, we will for sure dump before then. AI Doge went crazy today. Okay, I saw that trend on, let's look, AI Doge. Wow, look at that. Can't even calculate it, man. What's the percentage pump? Why is that? Why can't I measure the pump? What is it? Why am I not able to measure the pump? Damn it. Bill FIL 4K to reach all-time high. Filecoin. Okay. What are you talking about? So Variety Television BCH forecast in 2029. Bro, I'm not sure about 2029, but I think by 2025 it should be at least $10,000. You know, I think between $7,000 to $10,000 is my BCH forecast. Andrew, I bought TFB. Brian, Exmon last red candle Looks like a start of a diamond reversal pattern. Thank you, Shrey. Good to hear Xmon is not lost. No. If Fed pauses historically, we 3 to 4x. Brian, I'm not worried about Fed or anything else, man. You know, if your coin is at the bottom, there's nowhere else to go. It just, pops. So I don't listen to the news. It's just the news are made for people, to build a narrative, right? All the gloom and doom that you hear right now is giving you a reason. The government gives a reason to print more money. It's a problem. They created the problem and they will present you the solution. It's all, game, man. You got to understand how this market is going to go up. It's not by retail. It's not by retail. It's by government printing more money. That's the only way the market will go up. And the government already has printed. The amount of money that government has printed, it has gone somewhere, right? Money does not disappear. It goes from one hand to another hand, right? They have printed crazy amount of money since 2020. So all that money is in somewhere, right? Which is going to come in the market. Plus, they're going to print more money. That's why they're building excuses right now with the inflation, war, interest rate, banks collapsing, all that, all the bad news that you hear, right? Usually it's at the bottom. You hear all the bad news, right? So I do think it's a bottom where we are, and we are going to pump. There's nowhere else to go except up. Yeah, we are going to pump, and the governments from all around the world are going to print crazy amount of money. Not only United States, every government in the world are going to print crazy amount of money, and this is how the market will go skyrocket up. Not just the US. Trillions of dollars altogether will come into the market. Where do people invest? Stocks, real estate, gold, silver, and crypto. Crypto is the fastest horse. Eventually, money will slide into crypto. And this is the easiest way to invest. It's just by phone clicking through a button. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Crypto is the only investment in the world which is easiest for people to reach just from their phone by clicking a button. Yep. They will make it hard right now, the governments, because we are at the bottom. So they don't want people to invest at the bottom, right? So they'll make it tough, for people, and tough and make you scared, right now. Imagine when it's an asymmetric bet, man. Things are down 99.99%. I've invested here, in this crypto here. For me, it's an asymmetric bet. I just put, $11,000 already in it, and I'm going to put another 11. This is down. This thing is down 99.86%. Okay, 99.86%. It's not going to go to zero, unless if the company shuts down, yes, it's going to go to zero. But, I've done some research on this coin. Not bad, man. So, I bought even lower. I bought it here, and I'm already up. I bought majority of my buys were right here in this level. I posted on my Patreon. As soon as I, bought, I posted on my Patreon. I posted this chart on my Patreon a few days ago where I showed the bottom of this coin. We were expecting the bottom of this coin last July 30th. I predicted the bottom for this coin. You see, this is the bottom right here. I said between 0.001693 to 0.0020, right? That would be the bottom, right? This was in July 2022. I predicted this coin, and when it reached the bottom, it's time to act. So I bought. See, this is the same chart I posted on Patreon, and I posted on Twitter as well. This is how I expect it to play out. Right. So crypto millions are made like this, man. It's made when you buy at the bottom and you have show courage. If it goes down, yes, it's possible it can go down. I don't care. It won't feel good, but I'm doing the right thing. Buying at the bottom. Buying at the bottom. Right. Look at this. 99.86% down. Total, how much did it go down? Yeah, I'll be totally invested in this. You know, say $20,000 and this thing even reaches this level. Just this level. At some point in the cycle, this will. And it'll be soon, I think, it'll reach this level. Right? Because it's huge level, right? It'll come to kiss it. When? I don't know, but it'll come to kiss this. And look at this. This is 8x. And from where I bought, it will be here, from here. That's 10x. You know, that $20,000 will be $200,000. Right? That's a win. That's a win. That's a mortgage. That's a mortgage of a house. Right? That's a win. You know, how long it spends time here, that's the case that we need to think about. You know, I don't know how long it's going to spend time here before it goes back up. Okay. Next level up here, right here. I think at some point it's going to go to this level, 20 cents level. That is from where I bought. It's 100x, bro. 20 cents is 100x from where I bought. Right, so $20,000 would be what? $2 million. Okay, that's how. Yeah, it's an asymmetric bet for me. You know, if it never happens, if this coin is going to shit, yeah, I'll take a risk. And it's possible it goes up and never goes up to that level and just dies. You know, the company shuts down or something happens. Right, it's possible. But if it goes to this level, bro, it's time to retire. Miami, I am coming. 11, I'm coming. I don't watch the news charts. Yeah, just charts, man. No news. They said they will raise debt ceiling to 1.5 trillion. Mega bullish. Yeah, man, they will have to. There is no option. The governments don't have any option. Zero option. Except, you know, printing more money. In Europe, United States, we are still good because we didn't go to 0% interest rate or negative interest rate. In Europe, there were banks. The central banks were negative interest rates, man. They cannot, you know, they cannot do anything. They don't have, they cannot even go lower. So even if they raised interest rate, it's just a little bit, right? So what they can do is only print more money. They don't have the tool of interest rate. They cannot do too much with the interest rate, or they'll just collapse the whole economy. Everything will go to zero, right? Will shut down. So I don't think that happens. Eventually that will happen when they want to get rid of the banks. Now, all the governments will have, if the central banks have their own digital currency, they don't need the middleman. Banks are the middleman. They can give you that money directly by having an application, right? Central banks, the Fed, you know, if they release a digital currency, they won't need a middleman. Banks, why do they need that? They don't need it, right? So they can directly lend you money and make money out of it. So, and have more control over people. So, yeah, I think the banks are eventually going to collapse. A big collapse is coming, but not now. There's just trailer right now. You know, 3-4 banks collapsing, and they will give a reason for the Federal, you know, Reserve to print more money. It's just an excuse. Only way is up. There's nowhere to go. Yeah, man, there's nowhere to go. Wow, Casper is showing signs of life, looking bullish. Casper. Yeah, Casper is a good coin, man. I think it's a blockchain, right? Casper is a good coin. Flow is a good coin. Casper is a good coin. Yeah, man, this thing's gonna pump. It looks ready. This looks ready, brother. Bro, this looks ready. I would say to this level right here. I would not be surprised if it goes to this level. It pulls back from there. So about 200%, bro. Yeah, 200% doable. How much did it go down? Altogether. $99.94%. Wow, you kidding me, bro? Really? Yeah, this was a good buy area. Yeah, man, that's crazy, crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, looks like that, man. It's gonna go try to reach this level before some sort of correction. I think, 19 cents is the level. It could go even come close to 23 cents. 19 to 23 cents. That's where it's going. It could have some sort of stop. Yeah, it could have some sort of stop here. Casper. I'll be, if you want to trade, you could at this level right here. Next stop would be, I think, would be at this level. Some sort of correction. But that is still a pump. Man, 50% pump. 49, 50% pump is coming. This is where you would get some sort of correction. I don't think it's going to stop until then. 40, 50% pump is coming for Casper. Like that. Might dump to this level. Once the dump is over, boom, come back up again. Like that. Okay. That is Casper. $0.19. Yeah, man. Yeah, but it'll take some time. But that would be the level I'll be looking at. Invested 118K, 703 BCH average price, 167. Boom. CBDC gonna make BCH equal freedom currency. Gotta protect your wealth. Yeah, man. Absolutely. That's why I buy Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, there are other coins as well, which are good. Litecoin is good too. I like Litecoin. I like anything other than fiat money. But there will be a time in which I will go fiat. In 2026, I'll be more in fiat. Okay. In 2026, I'll be in fiat. Yeah, 2028 would be, again, a good time, I think, to buy. 2028 or 2030. Something bad happens. But it's a cycle, man. You gotta make sure, take profits. Doesn't matter Bitcoin Cash or anything else. When Bitcoin Cash reaches $7,000 level, that's my level, between $5,000 to $8,000. This is where I'll be taking huge profits for Bitcoin Cash. It's yet to come. We haven't looked at Bitcoin Cash chart, right? BCH against Bitcoin, not against dollar, against Bitcoin. That's the only chart I'm looking at. This is Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin. Falling wedge. Look at this falling wedge. This falling wedge will explode, okay, to this level, we have one more dump left. Like that. Go up to this level, dump, and then the real cycle for Bitcoin Cash will start. Okay? So, not worried about what's going on right now. It's just a great opportunity. We are the lowest point. Again, you heard it on this channel. Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin is at the lowest level. Okay, lowest level. It is possible next low. I don't think, no. I think this is the low. This is the lowest point where Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin will ever go. That is it. For a long time. Okay? After the pump, we might come back down to this level for a dump to this level, right? It's possible that after the pump might come back for a retest of this level. But this is the lowest level Bitcoin Cash, I think, will go. Here, that's the bottom. What's the date today? Today is the 30th of April, 2023. Bottom of Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin. Hi Shrey, how are you? Can you check Digibyte? It's been a while. Yeah, Raj, I will for you, brother. Thanks for all your comments. See the charts? There are 2-3 charts I'll show you to keep an eye on to show you where the market could go. Okay. For me, Digibyte is in this channel. Okay. For me, Digibyte is in this channel. When this, if at all, it gets out of this channel, then this is when I would get scared. Okay. I'll be shit scared if it gets out of this channel. It should not be able to get out of this channel. Okay. Let's see. When are we going to get some action? Very close, brother. Look at this. Falling wedge. We got out of the wedge. Retesting the wedge again, you know. I just don't want it to get out. You know, a wick could go down to this level again, but just don't go, you know, have a weekly close below this line, below this trend line. A weekly close below this trend line would be very bad signal for Digibyte. You know, it's just a very bad sign. If that happens, then you know what it would lead to, for me to think, would be like this. Coming back to this level. Okay, I know I don't want to be, you know, but yeah, to this level. And I've seen assets do that before. Okay, I've seen assets do that before. So it cannot break this channel. If it does, then this would be the result, okay, of that. But bullish on the market right now. There are so many coins down 99%. There's no way, you know, we're going to pump 99.99% down. You know, those coins got to go up. Many coins have reached their bottom. There are a few coins which haven't reached their bottom. We're still working on it, you know, those coins. But many coins have reached their bottom, especially small caps. Many small caps have reached their bottom and, you know, they're exhausted. They could, you know, go sideways, pump 5-6x, come back down, pump another 7-8x, come back down. That's what can happen with small caps. But when the pump happens, those pumps will be aggressive in small caps. Shay, when you sell at the top, do you keep a small bag in case or sell 100%? Brother, I'll just give you an example of Bitcoin Cash, right? I would sell, start selling at, 5,000, 7,000, depends, how much money is enough for you, right? I'm not in, everyone should be in their own financial journey, right? I'm 43, right? And I've invested a house into crypto, right? So I can get out early. I don't want to take too many risks, right? For me, $3 to $5 million is good money. See, capital preservation is the key. When you get the capital, preserve it because you can make more money out of it. This is all digital money. It's just, fairy money. It's not real money, okay? Having real money, real assets, the goal is to be financially independent, not have a mortgage, not have any sort of bills coming to your house, have a solar panels in your house, you don't even get electric bill, right? Goal is to be financially independent, right? No stress. So when you don't have stress, you can innovate. You can make more money if you have money. But if that money goes down 99.99%, I don't want to take that risk, bro, right? So I will have some money, like in the coins that I believe in. It's for my kids. It's for her. I have her own account, that will be for her, right? But for me, that money, I can make a lot of money. I have my mind. Crypto is not the only way to make money. I can make money through real estate. I can flip properties. I can, have my own crypto project, start my own crypto project and make a lot of money, right? There are many ways to make money, but if I lose it, trying gambling, then, you can, right? A lot of people have seen that portfolio go to 5 million and come back down to $200,000 in this bull run, okay? A lot of people, I'm telling you. So a lot of people have lost money in Luna, which were $10 million, $5 million coming to zero. They've seen that, from 5 million to zero. And I don't want to be one of those stories, man. So I won't be greedy. I have my certain target. When my portfolio reaches that amount, I'll be getting out. It will suck when I'll see those coins go up. But, you have to be content at some level, some point. There are way bigger fish than me. I'm a smaller fish. If you have $200,000-$300,000 in the market right now, you are a small fish. There are people, they have venture capitalists, right? They have hedge funds. They are the big boys, and above them comes the government from all around the world. Those are the big bad boys. The governments and the company, Elon Musk. You have the guy from that country. What is Nicaragua, right? What is that country? Where they legalize Bitcoin, right? Those are the big boys, right? Who buy billions, who can dump in billions, right? So you have to be careful. Yeah, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, guys. This is my journey. I'm sharing my journey with you, okay? Do your own research. Robert Richards, how are you, brother? T-Fuel is going to 4x. I haven't looked at T-Fuel for a long time, man. We'll look at it. T-Fuel. T-Fuel. What's scary for me is this level right here. It never came down to this level. This is a critical level. Never came down to this level. The other way to look at it is through channel. Consider this as a channel. This will never come back down to this, but You cannot break this channel, bro. Richards, if we break this channel, you know, then what is this? T-Fuel is coming back to this level, okay? We cannot break this channel where we are right now. You see this? You know, cannot go lower. Get out of this channel, it's done. T-Fuel. But you see this sort of triangle forming? Yeah. So I'm bullish. I don't think it'll go to this level. But if it breaks down this level, then this would be the target. Okay? 0.008 would be the target. That is T-Fuel. Positive note. Think about it. The top of this channel is really $5, bro. $5, $8, $10. That's the top of this channel. Imagine. That will be craziness, man. That'll be craziness. $10, $11 for T-Fuel. That'll be craziness. Imagine. You know, so that's the only concern. For me, I cannot comprehend $10 T-Fuel. How is it possible? So it's possible that this comes back down to this level. Okay. I would not say never, you know. This is through September. Yeah, September. Yeah. If you show any sign of weakness here by September, we could be 0.008. Okay. And then if we come back down here and you look at this coin now, then we're looking $3. Yeah, $3. Then this would be the bottom. If it comes down to this level, right? Then the top of T-Fuel, this would be the bottom, and I would say the top would be somewhere around $2-3. Okay, $2-3 for T-Fuel. So this is a critical level. Can't lose this. BCH hits 5K. I will have 3.5 million. Boom. Thanks, Ray. People have laughed at my plan with BCH, but I have listened to the charts. Yeah, brother. Yeah, it'll happen. It'll happen, and you are with the right coin. People laugh at me as well that why are you into BCH? But the people who don't understand, they don't understand what real BCH is. What is the utility? People don't travel of United States. Those idiots, you know, they have not gone to New York, right? They have not traveled 6 hours by car, and they tell me that Bitcoin Cash is not good. I've been all over Southeast Asia. I've traveled the world. Any cryptocurrency that I've seen so far being utilized by merchants is Bitcoin Cash. The most used currency with my eyes that I've seen is Bitcoin Cash being used as, you know, a currency. I've not seen anything else so far. You know, I've not seen Bitcoin. I've probably seen the signs of Litecoin. But Bitcoin Cash, especially in Asia, if you go to Asia, man, Bitcoin Cash signs everywhere. But anyways, it's the people who decide, right? Which currency. There will be private currencies. There'll be several options. Like Litecoin has a huge following, huge community. You know, Epic Cash now, New Cash, right? Could have a nice rise to the community and the level. Some people are saying Epic Cash could go to 1000x. Yes, it's possible. I've looked at the charts of Epic Cash, but I don't like to. I like to be conservative, even if my mind says right now, Epic Cash. Look at this.
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know, bitch, please call me now. I don't want to win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war.
This could be the most explosive charts that we look at. Most explosive, right?
Bitch, please call me now. I don't want to win the war.
If the bull runs until 2024, 2025, look, where could we go? Right, the top of this channel. So anything happens in between is just noise, but I don't like to be over optimistic. That's why I stay low key and I say, you know, $100, 10, 12 bucks, you know, right now. The next level target would be between $9 to $12. $9 to $12 for Epic Cash. But long term, depending on the community, how well they do, how they will implement other things, you know, like crypto listings on different exchanges. It's very important, right? This could fly. Okay, I've seen this pattern, man. Very explosive pattern. Very explosive pattern. Yeah, but the next target I would think would be between, I would say, $9 to $12. $9 to $12 for Epic Cash.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
Bullish on Filecoin. Yes, brother. Bullish on Filecoin.
Bitch, please
I haven't looked at it, but I'll make a video for Filecoin. Okay? Okay, guys. I will take off. I will see you tomorrow. Right? We did a good video today. Almost an hour. It's 7:59 p.m. in the United States. I don't know where you guys from. A majority are from, I guess, from United States. In Canada. Right? Europe, it's pretty late in Europe as well, right? So you guys, majority of you are in the US. But yeah, man, I'm excited. Let's see if my ERSDL orders are filled or not. Or I'm fucked. Let's see. And this keeps on going. I wanted to come back down. Come now, baby. Come back down to daddy. Come back down to this level. This is where I'm going in, all in. Like, you know, I'll start buying here. It's possible that the wick goes down to this level, 0.002179, but I don't want to be greedy. You know, I'll be happy to buy here in this level, 0.00285 or 0.00280 will be the level for ERSDL. I'm putting another $12,000 here in this one. Yep. All right. I'll see you guys later. Have a good night.